Good morning, students. Next topic, we consider numericals on the second unit, that is Pascal law, fluid statics. In second unit, we have considered the fluid is stationary. Fluid is not moving. At that time, fluid applied a force on the objects. So we have considered the Pascal's law. According to that Pascal law, we have considered according to the Pascal law, intensity of the pressure is equal in all directions. Means if you consider a point of pressure acting at a point in a fluid, so equal force or equal pressure will be acted in all directions, means x, y, z. Or if you apply the force at a point, so here this is a fluid is contained in this closed container, that is hydraulic press. So here we can apply pressure by plunger on this fluid. So according to Pascal law, if the pressure is applied or force is applied at this plunger, that pressure will be equally transmitted to the fluid. So whatever pressure will be applied here, that intensity of the pressure will be equal at this point also, that is in this fluid. So we have to find the identical numericals. Hydraulic press has a ram of 30 cm diameter. So this hydraulic press ram is diameter of 30 cm. Plunger 4.5 cm. Find the weight lifted by the hydraulic press when we have to find the weight, this weight lifted by this hydraulic press when force applied at the plunger is 500 Newton. So first we can consider the area of this plunger is suppose A1. Area of this plunger, if you take as a small a, suppose area of this is small a and larger area is capital A. So small a will be the pi by 4 d1 square, pi by 4. Smaller diameter is 0.45 meter, 4.5 centimeter to 4.5 meter. So here we get A1 is equal to A1 we get as a 0.0159. Similarly, we can find the area of this ram. Is A is equal to pi by 4 its diameter, suppose capital D square, pi by 4 its diameter is 30 centimeter, is 0.3 meter square. So we get A as a 0.07 068 meters square. So area we have calculated. Now we can calculate pressure intensity at plunger. Pressure intensity at plunger or pressure will be equal to the, at this point pressure will be the force upon the area. Force upon area. So force at this plunger is given 500 Newton. 500 Newton and its area is 0.00159. Now according to the Pascal's law, the same pressure will be transmitted at this point also. So at this point we can consider area at the ram. So pressure intensity at that will be the pressure at the ram will be the force upon area. So force, when applied force on the ram, it will lift the weight. So force here will be the weight lifted upon its area 0.07068. So this is equation 2. So according to Pascal law, these two terms will be the equal. So therefore equating these two, W upon 0.07068 will be equals to this 500 upon 0.00159. Here 500. So W we get 2222 Newton. So as like we can use, or in kilometer we can write 22.22 kilonewton. So using Pascal law we can solve small amount of force can be used to lift the ramp, to lift the weight in a hydraulic press. So using the Pascal's law. So next numerical on the hydrostatic law, on the hydrostatic law, we have considered if in a fluid, this is a free surface of a fluid and this is the fluid, that's in water, oil or any liquid. So at the pressure goes on, hydrostatic pressure, static means fluid is stationary. So hydrostatic pressure goes on increasing the downward direction, and it is increasing this hydrostatic pressure is equal to the weight of the fluid, specific weight of the fluid, that is rho g at that point. So we have considered the hydrostatic law used to find the pressure, and in a pressure at a point in a fluid, suppose at this point will be equal to rho g h. So pressure is equal to the weight of the fluid is rho g into h, rho g h. So we have given here the pressure due to the column of 0.3 meter, three cases, water, oil and the mercury. So suppose at this point the fluid column may be the fluid column may be the 0.3 meter. So 0.3 meter may be of oil or water or mercury. So in three cases we have to find the pressure. So formula is again the pressure formula will be the rho g h. So first for water, due to the water column of 3.3 meter, the pressure will be the rho g h of water. So density of water is 1000, 9.81 into 0.3. So pressure we get 2943 Newton per meter square. So we can convert this 2943 divided by 10 raised to 4. Answer will be Newton per centimeter square. So we can write in Pascal 2943 Newton per meter square or Newton per centimeter. It will be the 0.2943. So this is for the water. Similarly for second, oil of specific gravity point A. So we can find specific gravity is equal to, we know specific gravity is density of the fluid, that means density of oil upon density of standard fluid is water. So specific gravity is 0.8. So density of oil into density of water is 1000. So we can find density of oil as a 0.8 into 1000, 800 kg per meter. So now we can find the pressure due to the 0.3 meter column of oil will be rho g h of oil. So oil density is 800 into 9.81 into its h is 0.3. So solving this we get answer. So for oil will be this answer as 2354. 2354. So we can see from water of 0.3 column if you consider a liquid of 0.3 meter height, at that time pressure at the base will be the pressure will be the 2943, and in case the pressure due to the oil will be only 2354. Lastly, we find for the mercury. For mercury, using the same pressure in a fluid for mercury. So for mercury, again mercury density will be the rho wave will be the specific gravity into density of water. So specific gravity of mercury is 13.6 into 1000, we get 13600 kg per meter cube. So we can find the pressure due to the mercury column of 0.3 meter will be the rho GH of mercury, rho 13,600 9.81 into its height is 0.3. So solving this, we get answer 4025. So we can see if there is the mercury of 0.3 meter causes Newton per meter square 40,000 Pascal, and oil causes only the 2,300 pressure. So mercury column will have the higher pressure as compared to the oil and water. So this, if you have to find the pressure at a given point in the fluid, we use the rho GH. So in fluid, if it is static, that is not moving, we can find the pressure due to the column, means due to the H, we can find. Sometimes pressure is given, we have to find this height of the liquid column. So height of the liquid column we can find as P by rho G. So this is also called static pressure head. Static head pressure head is P by rho G. So next numerical item on this, again hydrostatic law. Oil of specific gravity 0.9 is contained in a vessel at a point. Height of oil is 40 meter. Find the height of corresponding height of water at that point. So we have given here at a given point in a fluid. Suppose this is the oil, and at a height of 40 meter. So at this suppose point in a oil, at this point height from the surface is 40 meter. Okay, at a height 40 meter, and oil of specific gravity 0.9 is contained in a vessel. So in this vessel and point is suppose 40 meter. Find at the height of oil is 40 meter. Find the corresponding height of water at that point. So we can find first the suppose oil is contained in this and 40 meter. So we can find the pressure corresponding to this 40 meter of oil. So that pressure will be for oil. We can write rho GH of oil. So again, density of oil will be the specific gravity 0.9 multiplied by density of water. So density of oil will be 0.9 into 1000, 9.81, and its height is given 40 meter. So pressure corresponding to the 40 meter of oil will be the this will be this, suppose pressure is corresponding to that 40 meter of oil. Now we have to find the corresponding to this pressure what is the height of water corresponding to this pressure of due to the 40 meter of oil. For given pressure, we have to find the height of water. So for water, we can write height will be, now this pressure will be equal to the pressure due to the height of water column. So we can write for height of water column, we get the same pressure corresponding to that pressure 9.81 into 40. Now density of water will be 1000, 9.81 into H will be equal to this 0.9 into 1000 into 9.81 into 40. So corresponding height of the water will be the, we get by solving this 36 meter of water. 36 meter of water. So means we have to given, suppose first initially water, oil level is given. Oil level is 40 meter below the free level in the container. So pressure at this point will be given by hydrostatic rho GH. Now corresponding to same pressure and this corresponding to this height, pressure is this. So for given this height and pressure, we can find the height of water column. So water column having the density more, so its height will be less for given pressure, that is 36. For oil it is 40. So for mercury again, the height will be lower. So using this hydrostatic law, we can find the pressure at a given point. So we can use this in a that is, we can use this already in the Newton manometer or piezometer. If you have to find the pressure at this point in the piezometer, liquid will be rise up to certain height. So pressure at this point will be the equal to the height of this liquid column.